everyone. In today's video we'll be talking about how to upload attendance using the attendance log entry option. So to start with, you make sure that you have access to the payroll module, and in payroll module you must have access to attendance log entry option. Alright, to start with, we will open our attendance log entry. So there are certain search bars that you can see over here, starting with the attendance type. This is where you can search the type of attendance you want to upload, or if you want to search if an employee has this type of attendance uploaded under his or her name. Okay, here you can choose department wise if you want to check if any employee has any particular attendance uploaded under his or her name, or if you want to choose it employee wise. From that, as it is clear that starting from any date you can search or upload the attendance. Okay, now for now we want to upload the attendance, for example absent. So there are two options that we have. One is uploading individually, employee wise, one by one for all the employees if you want to do, and the other option is the bulk upload. So we will start with the individual option. For example, we want to do it for the month of August. We will choose the attendance type as over here absent. Okay, once you will click on absent, here you can see that there is a row which has been showing. Here you can choose the employee ID. If you do know the ID, you can the name, you can add the name over here by clicking on tab button, or otherwise click on the blue icon, and over here, for example, I will choose the first employee, and here you can put the date starting from till which date you want to post the absent. For example, the starting date is 30th of July 2020 till 2nd of August. So I'll just add it over here. So you see here system has automatically taken the 4 days of absent. Here you have to, if there is any particular reason, you can put it over here. Okay, and authorized by, once you click over here, system will give you the option to choose that who is the person who has authorized this absent. Okay, I'll just click on that and then click save. If you want to post absent days, like for example, we'll take the same employee, let's just search if the absent has been posted or not. So you see already now if you want to search if the absent is posted or not, we will put the employee ID over here, and then we need to put the date. For example, I'll put 25th of July and then click on search. So over here you can see 4 days of absent is already showing under this employee's name. Now you want to add another day of absent, you can click on add row, put the other date maybe 3rd of August till only for 1 day. So you can add it over here using the same process, and then just click on save. Same like that, if you want to delete any absent which you have posted by mistake, you can just choose the row, click on delete row, and then click. Here you will see a message which system will be saying to delete this message you need to click yes, but this record will be deleted temporarily. So to permanently delete it, after clicking yes, we need to press save. So once save, that particular record has been deleted. Okay, so this is how you can upload the attendance type individually. Now what is the second option that we can use to upload the attendance? Alright, so next is our bulk upload option. So to do the bulk upload, first of all you need to choose the type of attendance you are going to do bulk upload for. For example, if it is an bulk upload for absent days, so you will click on it. You notice here there is an option to download the Excel template. So once you will click on download Excel template, system will download an Excel template. You can just click open. here you need to click yes. Okay, now you see here system will ask you for certain details, for example employee ID, starting date, ending date, and that's it. So let's just take few employees ID from our system. For example, starting from 0004, okay, 0004, 0008, then we have 0017 and 0029. Okay, now the starting date, for example, you need to follow the proper format for the date. Like here it is 1st of August, so we'll put it in the same way, starting from 20th of July 2020 till 23rd of July 2020. Same goes for starting from 1st of August 2020 till 3 August 2020. Alright, now we gotta save this file. Make sure always your file is saved in the CSV format. Over here, I'll save my file with yes, and then just close the Excel file. Okay, now we will upload the Excel template which we have already added our details in. So once you click on browse, go to the same path where we have saved our Excel CSV file, click open. Now you click on upload data and save. So after uploading data and save, you've got the message created update successful. Now what we need to do is to check if the data we try to upload is appearing or not. So we will put the date starting from the month of July itself. Okay, for example, we uploaded it for 0017. Okay, let's search. You see here 4 days of absent is appearing under his name. Let's search any other employee. Over here you can see the absent date starting from 20th of July till 23rd of July is appearing. Okay, same like that, absent, you can use other options also to upload your attendance. For example, if you want to upload the overtime, the same way you will download the Excel template. Okay, and here you're supposed to put the starting date, ending date, day status, and number of hours. For example, I'll put the ID, starting date, maybe I'm going to put it as 19 July 2020 till 19. Okay, now what is day status? Day status are actually the options. I'll just show you over here. See, usually we use the day status as simple rate, but if you want to use any other day status, you can check the code over here. For example, for simple rate it's S, for banquets it's B, so accordingly you need to put the day status over here. So I'm going to put S, which is simple rate, and then here you will put the number of hours worked. Alright, let's just save our file in the same path. Okay, save it. Alright, we will go back to browse, upload data, and it's uploaded. Here you can see 4 hours of overtime has been added under particular employee's ID. So this is how any other attendance log entry you want to make, any other type of attendance you want to upload in bulk, you can use this option. Over here you can see your public holidays, your unpaid days, etc. So this is it for attendance upload. Thank you very much.